All right, this is a Signals and Sorcery tutorial. What I want to show you is how to integrate Lyria 3, Google's audio AI, into the platform. So we've created a scene here, techno. Its contract is 133 beats per minute, A minor, pretty straight ahead, and I created a bunch of synths. Let me just play it so you have an idea. You get the idea? Okay, let's add some vocals. So I want something kind of haunting and ethereal. So something like Gregorian chant in A minor, because our contract's in A minor. So let's give that a shot. So right now it's talking to Google's AI. It's giving it context. It's going to download. We're going to do some local machine learning to make sure it's in the same key. Let's just listen to it and hear it come in. There you go. Sounds pretty good to me. Thanks for watching.